Can you download Wattpad stories on iPhone? Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you if there is a way to download Wattpad stories on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Wattpad app on your iPhone. After you open Wattpad, you will get this type of interface. From here, I'm selecting a random stories from here. After you select a random story, from here you will be able to add that random story or your selected story on your favorite one. For that, tap on plus icon over here. And from here you can easily add to your library, or you can also create a new reading list by tapping in the option create reading list at the bottom left. Right now I am choosing with the options like library private. After you choose it, tap on done. And from here you can easily access or read that stories whom you have added or save it to your library from here. For that, tap on profile icon just at the top right. And from here, after you scroll down from the section reading list, you can easily find out that reading list on your profile from here. So there is no any official method like you can manually download that stories from your device. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.